Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Sunken Garden at Japanese Garden. So here we go guys, stay with me, enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, Japanese Garden. Yeah, look at this amazing and beautiful view guys. And guys, this is the rest house. So this is the rest house guys at Japanese Garden. Yeah, so this is the rest house guys. And also facing into the lake. It's amazing. And this is freshwater forests. Yeah, this called is the freshwater forest guys. In the freshwater forest, water from the main pond floods the moss plain, creating a temporary wetland for the trees. Moss will carpet the ground of para stone, a mud and stone composite popularly used in artistic ornaments, eventually growing seamlessly into the buttress roots of the swamp trees like Alstonia. So this is guys, freshwater forest.
You able to change with the new battery now or no? Right?
And guys, this is the Sunken Garden. Sunken Garden enter a lush sunken world where over 200 epiphytes including orchids, bromeliads and ferns weave a breathtaking tapestry of life across moss-covered walls. A central cenote, a sinkhole ranged by cascading vines, collects rainwater, while the cool, damp air creates a microclimate that nurtures moisture-loving plants. So I'm going inside now guys. You look at this guys, it's beautiful and amazing. And this is called Sunken Garden. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful and amazing, guys. And this is called Sunken Garden. Yeah, this is called the Sunken Garden, guys. It's beautiful and amazing. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Bye guys. Take care. I love you.